Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating a reliable backup and a bootable USB. This protects files and lets you act. Once done, restart and enter UEFI/BIOS. Set USB first in the boot order so the system loads your installer. Make sure to disable Secure Boot only if your chosen tool requires it, otherwise leave it enabled. Connect the target drive directly to the system. Avoid USB hubs. Now boot from the installer and proceed to the setup screen to begin removing Windows. You'll delete Windows partitions and the bootloader next, and here is how to be thorough. From the installer, choose Advanced Drive Options or Load Gparted. Delete the EFI, MSR, recovery, and primary partitions so the OS is gone. If you prefer command line, run diskpart, select the disk, then use clean or clean all. Clean zeros the partition table. Clean all overwrite sectors. Once completed, optionally overwrite the first several megabytes to remove leftover bootloader code. Then create new partition. You finish by verifying the drive is clean and preparing it for its next use. Reboot into the installer or a live Linux USB and confirm the disk is unallocated. If so, create a new GPT or MBR table, depending on your platform, and format partitions for the next OS. Make sure to reinstall a bootloader if installing another system. If Windows files still appear, make sure hidden recovery or OEM partitions weren't missed, and repeat a secure erase using manufacturer tools before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.